y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'll be making y'all some yam. I'll be frying them, and here's the things I'll be using. Here's my yams. I'll be using some Sun Beauty yams, and when you fry yams, you should always use the small ones to me because they're more sweeter and they're more tender, and you ain't got to worry about them being tough. And I'll be using some Panko, seasoned Panko. I'll be using some kosher salt, black pepper, some red peppers. I have some butter, brown sugar. I have some honey, and I have lemon juice. And I have some oil over here that I'll be frying them in. And these are things I'll be using. Once I start, I'll get back with you all. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel these little yams. I try to get the smallest one that I saw in the store because they taste so good and they cook really good. I try to get those. I cut all the peeling off of them. These right here, I try to get 3 slices out of them, 3 long slices out of them, horizontal slices out of them. And with these, shouldn't make them too thick. I'm gonna peel all of them, and I'm gonna do them off camera. And then once I get ready to slice them, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Okay, I left this off of here. Okay, I'm gonna peel all these over here, and once I start get ready to slice, I'm gonna get back with you. Okay, y'all, I peeled all of them, and I sliced some of them off camera. This is how I do them. I just go, but be careful, and I got on gloves. Most people scared when I use a knife. They say I'm dangerous, but I never cut myself, never. So I just take a knife. You can take, put it on a cutting board any way you want to do it. Just cut them the long way. Don't have them so thick. And I'm going to get ready I'm going to let these, you have to let them set in water for about 30 minutes, 15 minutes in cold water. I don't know what that does. Probably tender them a little bit. So let them set in cold water for at least 30 minutes. And then you're going to pat them dry. And then you're going to get ready to make them. I'm getting ready to make, okay, I got all these peeled like I want them, sliced and peeled. And I'm going to set them in some cold water and let them set up for about 30 minutes. Once I do this, I'm going to get back with you. I'm getting ready to make the coat mines in. I'm going to put my sweet potato that I peeled, now that's set in cold water. I'm going to put the sauce. I'm going to dip each one in sauce, and then I'm going to cover it with some Panko, kosher salt, black pepper, and a little red pepper flakes. That's how I make mine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some butter in here. This is melted butter, pure butter. Okay, here's some lemon juice. Some little lemon juice. I'm just making enough to put on those few potatoes. I had 9 potatoes. That was I think that was 4 pounds of potatoes. In fact, it was 4 pounds of potatoes. That was about 9 small potatoes. And I'm gonna put some brown sugar in here. And these are things I'm gonna coat each of my things when I put them in my dusting powder. Ooh. Stir this up good. And put each one in there. I'm gonna taste it before I coat them, and I'm gonna get this together. I just want the sweet potato to get a little wet with this sauce. It's gonna make them good because you use all of this brown sugar, lemon, and butter. When you're making sweet potato, you use all of this in there. I'm gonna put a little red pepper flakes just to give it color. Just to put a little bit of that in there. Give it that little ting. Okay. Now what I'm getting ready to do now, I'm getting ready to, I got my skillet over here with oil. I'm gonna cut it on. I'm getting about medium high. I'm gonna let it get hot. And I cook mine in vegetable oil, just plain vegetable oil. Okay, I'm getting ready to make my dusting powder, and I'll get back with you. I'm getting ready to make my little dusting. You don't have to do this. You can fry them just like they are, but I'm gonna put some little Panko in mine. These are seasoned Panko. No, this for breadcrumbs. I thought that's what it was. I'm trying this, and put a little pepper in it, just a little bit. And a little sea salt, just a little bit. Because the sweet potatoes are already sweet, we don't have to. I just want to spice it up a little bit of just a little sea salt. And these are things I'm going to be using. I'll be dusting them and the reason you can dust them, you can make a sauce so they'll stick to whatever you're going to coat them with. And I'll be coating mine with this. Okay, I'm getting ready to start. My stove is getting hot and my But sweet potato has soaked for about 15 minutes. I'm getting ready to start the process. Okay, I'm going to put my sauce. Here's my sweet potatoes. I cut them and I'm putting them in this bowl. And the reason I'm using this bowl because I can put this top on and shake them and all the stuff can fall to the bottom. I'm going to pour these on with these sweet potatoes. This is going to be so good. It's simple. This is a simple dish that you can, a side dish. That is like some people, you go in a restaurant, you can buy fried sweet potatoes, but this is a good way. I bet they ain't gonna taste like these. These follow my instructions and you'll get the same thing I'm getting. I'm gonna put these on here. I'm gonna shake this well so I can coat them real good. This is how I do mine now. This is just like this. I'm gonna do yours the same way. Once I get through shaking them good, I'm making a mess. It's not tight as it should. I'm going to get back with you. Okay, I'm getting ready to put these sweet potatoes in this hot grease over here. I've coated them. I'll put a little sugar. They're going to make them thin now. Don't make them too thick. Some of these might be thick, but they still sweet potatoes. You can eat them raw. You just want that coating on them. Now, vegetable, I never thought vegetable would be raw. I just think you can cook them. But I just never thought they'd be raw. I think they should be eaten like that. Okay. I'm gonna let these fry. How they gonna taste? I taste one of my fried one. They was pretty good. Slow down a little bit. I don't know how everybody else fry these, but this is how I do mine. They taste pretty good. It's what you season them with. Okay, let me get back with you when I get ready to turn these over. See how these are frying? They are so good. You never saw them look like that. They are crunchy and they are so good. They're tender. And turn them over, let them cook. They're tender. Follow my instructions, you can get the same thing. Some people don't. When I go someplace, sometimes I don't like sweet potato because they have that, it's a certain taste about them. They look a certain way. But I think I would like for mine to look like this. They look like they be wet to me. That's what they look like. Okay. Put these back, put some more in there. And I'll be getting to put these on a plate and show you how they look. Thank you all for tuning in to my presentation of my Sun Beauty Yams. They are so good. Follow my instruction. Share it with friends and family. Once again, thank you all for tuning in to my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a great day.